Who's ready for some football? Ah! All right, we've got a fun one planned out for you today. We are going to predict who the Super Bowl winners will be. Will it be Kansas City or the 49ers? Let's find out. So, what we are going to do is we're going to play a game of tug-of-war with this nice pig we've got. So we're going to figure out who's on which team. This is Lily, and that is Bella over there. So yeah, we're going to pick teams, and then we're going to go through all 4 quarters, and we're going to have a halftime, and we will see who the grand winner will be. And if you're concerned about Bella, she is much smaller than Lily, but what she lacks for in size, she definitely makes up for it in pure craziness. So it'll be an interesting match. Okay, here goes. We're going to pick out dog number 1, which is Bella. Okay, so Bella, let's see what team you're on. I know you're so interested right now. So here's the teams. Let's do that. Bella, you will be the 49ers. Nice. Okay, Bella, you're the 49ers. Lily, you are Kansas City. All right, guys, let's get out on that field and do some warm-ups, okay? Then it's quarter 1. Okay, it's halftime. Bella, what I'm going to need you to do is focus a little bit more, okay? You are, you're a little bit in your head. Yeah. So if you could just focus a little bit more and get out of your head, that would be great, okay? See? You're already distracted. I mean, what can I say, Lil? Just keep doing what you're doing. Maybe try to pull with your legs more instead of your neck. I don't know. You're doing good. Whatever you're doing, it's working. So keep it up. You gotta get together here, girlfriend. I secretly want Kansas City to win. I mean, they're both good teams. But I want Kansas City to win. Can you do that? Can you pull out a win, huh? Go get the pig! We are back inside now. I had to keep it a little bit short because I didn't want the dogs to get too cold outside. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Let me know who you think is going to win the Super Bowl. Alright, and as promised, here is the updated ramp. So if you didn't see my last video, I will link it down below. It was a video all about how I made this. I made it from scratch. I just kind of came up with stuff in my head and all the sizes and whatnot and cuts. But the problem was I made the ramp way too steep. This one would go up it, but Lily would not. So I got rid of some of the sides and just made the ramp a little bit lower. And they still have enough room for like a little extra hideaway playroom, which they love. Lily! Hey Lily! Can you show everybody how you come down? Come on! Yay! So that's it. Have fun watching the Super Bowl if you're going to watch the Super Bowl. If you don't like the Super Bowl, have fun watching something else. Football's not your thing. And we will see you again in the next one.